Hi guys, welcome back to Technoxity. This is Adnan Ahmed back with another video. So guys, I had a lot of products today, but then I received them and some were returned because there was some issue with them. And one unboxing video is already ready, and this is the mi.com's flash sale device which I ordered. That was Redmi 7A, I guess. Let's open up the packet and see which device is inside. I'll order a lot of devices, so hope you guys will be able to see a lot of unboxing videos in this week. So first of all, let's get started with this. So I'll just fast forward the video so that you guys don't waste the video, like I don't waste your time, and you guys don't believe that think that I'm getting watch time. So let's cut this open. So this is done, and we have this packet over here, and directly we get the Redmi 7A box without any coverage. Okay, this was there, but then the security that I received from the Flipkart one, like you saw the last video in which you saw that there was a plastic wrap over this, and it was really clean and good. So here there is Qualcomm Snapdragon 439 processor with a 4000 mAh battery. That's a lot of battery for this price range, and 12MP AI based rear camera and 13.8 cm, that is 5.45 HD plus full screen display, which has a dual SIM support, octa-core processor, 5MP selfie camera, and with FM radio. I think that is wireless connectivity, so you don't have to search for your earphone each time you connect to your FM, and a dedicated micro SD slot, and MIUI custom Android OS. AI Face Unlock supports 10-watt charging, but let's check out if they include the 10-watt fast charger. So here there is Redmi 7A and the Xiaomi branding, and the same on the other side. And here there are the components that are included in the box. It contains one mobile unit, one adapter unit, one USB cable unit, SIM injection tool, user guide, and a warranty card. So guys, without wasting any time, let's start up with opening the box. And here we just cut open the seal, and another one this side. Yeah, that's done. So we have opened up this one. So now let's take this out, and here we have this thing. This will have the manual and SIM injector tool, and here is the device itself. Let's keep this aside for a moment, and let's check out what else is included in the box. There is a charging brick. That's a standard. Just a second, let me check out what's the output. So output is 5 watt 1 ampere, as you can see over here. I'll just focus the camera on it. Hope you guys can see it is 5-watt charger. And then we get a USB cable, and the packing of this USB cable is really good. This is not a plastic, like it is a plastic thing, but then it's not like elastic like the normal ones, but it's a solid case they have included, and that's a good protection there. And that's all in the box, and as you can see the box is empty. And let's open this first up. Open this up, like the manuals, so that we need the SIM injector tool, and this is a cool looking SIM injector tool here. And then now let's turn on the device, and while the device boots up, let's check out the other features. Like I'll give you the device overview until then. So how are we going to peel this off? So here is the sticker. I think we need to start from this side. Where is it? Okay, let's open it from the back side. Here there is Redmi branding with this one. Let's open this up, and let's have it over here. And then here there is another thing in which there is this one. So let's peel this off. This is the best part of the unboxing, and there is a Redmi branding over here on the lower end, and there is a Redmi branding over here which says designed by Xiaomi and AI camera. And these are the things here. Let's let's start up the booting process, and let's check out the SIM slots. So guys, after a long wait, the system is done, and this looks quite old, the layout on the screen, and we can just customize it by using some applications available on the Play Store, so not an issue. And then let's check out the Android version and the other firmware that we get out of the box. It runs on Android version 9, that is Pie, and then patch level 2019 6, that is June. That's good, though it is August 1st today. And MIUI version 10.2.4, that is stable version, and CPU octa-core, 2GB RAM, and internal storage 32GB. Available is 23, and that's also a good thing. Now going back and checking out the camera quality, we have, let's allow this, let's have this box here and then check out how it performs. And yeah, let me just take a photo. And yeah, the quality is kind of good. Oh, out of the box there is some issue. And let's check out the front camera. And here is the tripod, and here is myself, and then what happened to the photo, guys? First time something happens. Package installer keeps stopping. Okay, going back to the gallery and checking it out. Allow. Okay, we are not given permissions. So here it is, the photo that we clicked, and let's zoom in and check out the details. Yeah guys, the details are really clean. I mean, easy to look at it from here as well. So the pixels have not gone away, and we have a good camera. For this budget price, it's a good one. And that's it guys in this video. Thanks for watching. If you guys like the channel, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel, Technoxity. Let's search for Technoxity. Let me show you. Let's check out the audio quality also, guys. All the three. Hope you guys can hear. That's also a loud sound. And that's it in this video, guys. Thanks for watching. Meet you in the next one. Until then, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like all the videos, and stay tuned for more upcoming unboxing videos and later tech tips and such other stuff.